See the quick demo of a Unity Train which I just built using Coding Assistant and Unity MCP server, and this is that open world environment we just built just using existing package and all and this Coding Assistant. So yeah, let's moving to start implementations. So before we start implementation, I especially recommend if you first time visit my channel, so go to my channel which is Real World Devs. So in here I'm especially recommend this session. So this session actually basically we just set up on our Unity MCP along with the Freebuff coding assistance, which is completely free. So no need to paid and all any additionally subscription and all. So yeah, apart from that, if you want to build any AI integration, full stack development, game development, cloud, mobile and all, so you can learn many things over here. So yeah, let's go to that implementation part. So first let me open Unity, and here I just simply create this new template of University 3D and create a new project. So here my application got created a blank template of Unity, and what need to do, we need to just set up everything which I already covered in our last video, so you can just go and visit that. So here all that MCP is connected along with this editor like VS Code, and where I just use this Freebuff AI coding assistant which will connected in our MCP, Unity MCP. And so let me check it over here. So before we start, we can ensure is MCP Unity MCP is connected or not. So simply hit enter. Well, I can see over here, yes, Unity MCP is connected and now ping is written as that is fine. So what I'll do, I'll just build train open world train over here using a existing package. So how we can do that? It's simple. Now I just make it side by side my Unity editor along with my code editor of VS Code, where I just build this completely using this coding assistant. So what I need to do first actually we just import one asset, so which help to create the train where is open world. So where is that asset? So if you go to here, open this package manager, and in this package manager I already actually downloaded this Unity Train URP Demo scene, which have lots of assets like trees, mountain, river, and also that we can check over here. This asset store of that Unity which is completely free, so we can utilize this package. This is that package actually, Unity Train URP Demo, which have this nice assets and all, like all that assets like trees, grass, water, shader, and everything. So using those assets actually we will build this nice open world environment for our game. So yeah, simply you can just add your project over here. I already added. Once you add it over here, we can simply import that. So I can just simply import this package in my current project. So here that complete information about this package, what are have those assets, and like we have the nodes, animations, prefabs. So yeah, whatever you need you can just check out and uncheck it, so that you don't need to unnecessary things over here. So but yeah, for demo perspective, what I'll do, I'll just take everything over here and just simply import that. So once import it, so you are able to see this is in your project. That is fine. And what to do next? Actually there are one instruction over here. Actually once you using this import package, so we have to render all that materials and all. So how we can do that? Simply you just go to and follow this instruction. So let me just close that, and once you go to this package, so in this asset folder I do see there's a new folder got created of train demo scenes, and in this here if you just go to, so currently I am able to see everything is loaded. I know if it is not loaded, like its material and all, it's look like yellow or some other color, that means it's not properly rendered. So in this case actually you can just go to edit section and go to the render section and go to that material, and you can just simply convert all material to that current srpc. So that will be actually render everything which is not rendered over here. So yeah, that step you have to do once you import this package, and once you're done, now we are good to go to create this open world environment in our project. So for that, what I need to do, simply I'm just going to in my coding assistant, and here I'm just giving one prompt which will connect in our MCP Unity MCP, and they will just try to do whatever we just do in manual, right? So yeah, let me try to write that prompt over here. So simply what I can tell over here, let's just create a simpler train and use existing asset which is which we are using this assets like train demo scenes URP to build that open world environment for this Unity game. That's it, nothing for a special. and what I'll do, simply hit enter and need to wait to complete this setup of environment in this my current project. Now I'm just getting one few questions over here in this coding assistance. Like now they ask, they found actually there is a one scene which can just directly open, but we don't know, we don't require this option. So we just want to build our train where we just use all that current assets and all. So for that, what I'll do, I'll just go with this option where just create a new train in this current scene. Now here there is a couple of tasks actually just create. Like they will just first create a train and then find that list of train layers and all, and then also apply trains layers, and that add whatever that grass details and all. So everything they will just do that from scratch over here. So yeah, that need to wait to complete their all setup and all. So yeah, let's wait to that. So here basically all that environment they just created, like nice shadow and nice also that water and that grass, and also there's a tree and all, and nice mountain and all. So yeah, let me moving around this complete environment. So yeah, let me just quickly create a simple player which we can just moving here and around. So complete environment we can look around. So yeah, so go back to my editor again and let me just ask over here. So yeah, simply I can ask, okay, add a player which can move this environment and also follow that third person camera, and hit enter. Now couple of task again they just created over here. See all the task which they will just create a player, and then they will just add some script to movement and also create a third person camera. So yeah, let's wait to complete their player movement. Now finally they completed, and I am able to see that player got added over here. And also they just use two mode, like cinematic mode or player mode. So yeah, let me just quickly maximize this and run this application. Now this is a cinematic view. So here I can see easily water, shader, even mountain. This is nice actually. So now this is other view, the separate view actually they just providing you automatically. Now this is other one. Now this is the top view. I think that's all and pretty much good for this complete environment. So if you want to add more, like player and then their activity like animations and all, so yeah, definitely we can continue this session in further. So yeah, that's all. I think pretty much good. I'll just also add this everything in my GitHub link so you can take it from there. So yeah, thank you, have a nice day, and don't forget